Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the Gumsy channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my intros, outros and like other improvised videos that I really need. This was suggested to me by one of my close friends. She said she just wants to know how it's done, so what you want to do, open up Google and type up Panzoid. Then you're going to look for the one that is literally Panzoid with panzoid.com. That's the right one. Then it's going to come up with this. So as you can see here, that's an outro. That looks like an outro as well. So I'm going to go for one, so here for example, that looks like an intro. Yeah, that's definitely an intro. Then you just want to click on opening clip maker and it's going to bring up this. So if you didn't like this one or any of the ones you've seen, you can look on the side here. So there's an outro, there are some others, and you can click on one and it'll bring up loads more. So look, there's another outro. Okay, so then you want to click the little I button and it's going to bring up this. So don't worry, it might not be this colour for you, it might be something else. All this is what it's going to look like at the very start. Then you want to go and click that and it's going to give you a preview of what it looks like at the moment. I'm going to just mute the audio because it's probably really loud and I haven't changed it. So let's do this. Okay, so there it is. You guys are probably thinking, well, it just says name, not my name. And it says name in a bunch of different colours, so how am I supposed to do this? Well, that's where I come in, I guess. Basically, you want to go to objects. And then here you're going to find text and text here. And you're going to just keep looking if you find any text. Okay, no. So these are 4 texts here. These are the only ones we need to look at. Right, where it says name, you're going to put your name in, so Gumsy. And then don't press enter because sometimes it doesn't work, just click on like 3D text or something and it's going to change. Right, then you want to change it for all of them because as you can see in the back there's still different outlines and stuff. So then you want to type Gumsy. There, now it's starting to look a bit better as you can see. And then Gumsy. And finally, Gumsy. Right, so now it all fits and it looks quite nice. I'm just going to check if there's any more text. There definitely isn't any more text. Okay, so now that you've done that, you want to press play from the beginning. Now I'm going to take it all the way to the start. Right there, we're at the start. And when you press play, it should have customized to your channel. There you have it, it has customized to my name that I've put in. So you can put anything in there, it doesn't just have to be Gumsy. And once you've done that and you like basically the look of it and stuff, what you want to do now is go to this little sort of arrow pointing to a line that if you hover over it will say download. Then it doesn't matter what you do that, you just put it to wherever you want really, but I recommend MKV because it's really good quality. And then you want to press start video render. What this is going to do is basically just see that blue bar there? When that gets to the end, it's rendered and you can download it. So, yeah. Once it's downloaded, it's going to ask you to put this into a file. And that's easy. If you don't want to put it into a file, I think it already puts it into your download tab, because it does for me, because I've made loads and it always puts it in download tab. If it doesn't, do not fear. All you have to do is open up or show it in folder because it will appear like down here when it's done. Press show in folder and then just copy it and paste it somewhere else or just drag it somewhere else. So this works for outros as well. It's just the same thing, you just have to go change the names, or if there's like a icon on there, all you have to do is change what the image link is and things like that. If you don't know how to do that, let me know and I will do a video on that. Anyway, once it does this, you just want to click download the video. And it's going to come up with this. And then you just got to wait, and in a minute it should come up down here. Ta-da, there it is. Okay, then you want to click show in folder, and it should be in downloads because it presets the downloads. If it's not, don't worry, just right click it, press copy, and then go to like anything in here and paste it into it. yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, smash the like button, and I'll just show you here. So it's definitely saved. Yeah, so smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.